In River County, Florida, sheriff's deputies are chasing who they say is a wanted man. A helicopter follows the car from above while deputies try to catch up on the highway below.
All right, guys, my radio now. I have eyes. Outside lane. Passing the 151. He's in the outside lane, 151.
Let us know when you go over the bridge. We're going to have suspects ready on the other side, up in 995.
Yeah, 10-4, we'll try to keep you updated. We're trying to keep up with him. He's going pretty fast. Still northbound, switching the middle lane. Still northbound. Alright, just past the exit, stand by on the inside lane. Heads up, guys. Traffic is slowing down. Information traffic is stopped. It's right here at Spike Strip, so not sure where he's going to go. Coming on the left. Coming on the left. Dispatch has been looked at. I have the radio.
He's coming.
Outside lane now. Continue past the bridge. He's still northbound I-95. Believe he just tried to get sticks. He continued. He's on the outside lane, not northbound. Slowing down significantly. 158 northbound I-95. I'm getting ahead. They cut into the meeting. He's going to get stuck. He's in the water. He made it. He might be a Kentucky guy if he can cut across. Back southbound. He's southbound on the outside shoulder, I-95 southbound. Another bit, stand by. 30, please, I-95.
All units 1032 traffic. This information he is armed.
Stay on the ground now! Don't you move, you understand? Don't you move! Don't move! Look away from me! Look away from me now! Driver, shut up! Stand up! Stand up, face away from me! Face away! Take 2 steps to your left! 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 Macias, we have shield. That man, identified as Nicholas Parchesco, is arrested and charged with wanton fleeing.